Hey, science enthusiast, ever wondered why bats are such unexpected virus carriers? Nipah, Hendra, Ebola, Marburg, SARS, some of the world's scariest viruses, all carried by bats. Hemorrhagic fevers like Ebola can kill up to 90% of infected people. SARS, a coronavirus, spreads incredibly fast. All these pathogens have surfaced in humans in the last 50 years. But hey, it's not really the bats' fault. The recent rise in outbreaks is likely due to humans encroaching into bats' habitats, especially in the tropics. In Malaysia, for example, commercial pig farms spread into bat-inhabited forests, leading to the first human outbreak of Nipah via pigs. In Australia, human Hendra cases are rising as native forests are destroyed, forcing fruit bats to feed in suburban gardens. Bats do seem to carry more human-killing diseases than other animals. One big reason is their love for company. Different kinds of bats roost together in huge numbers, helping viruses spread not just between individuals, but also between species. What's more, most infected bats don't die. They live normal bat lives, flapping around and giving the viruses time to spread. Flight might be why bats are so resilient to infections. Mammals can't produce the immense energy needed for flight without creating reactive waste products that damage DNA. So when bats took to the air, they improved their DNA repair kits and other defenses, including cells that keep viral invaders in check. Bats can survive deadly viruses, but how do viruses survive bats? Most viruses require a perfectly controlled climate inside a normal, resting, on-the-ground mammal. But when bats fly, their internal temperatures reach around 40 degrees Celsius. These frequent in-flight saunas are too hot for most viruses, but a few hardy ones have evolved to tolerate the heat. So what should we do? We need bats for insect control, pollination and more. Maybe we could even learn immune tricks from them, like how to avoid getting cancer. Plus, humans are the biggest carriers of human disease. Perhaps we'd be better off leaving bats alone and trying to control the spread of diseases carried by a different kind of flying mammal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more science goodness.